friend Josh.
And this is my friend Jack.
And together
we are average age 50. Now, a quick aside, audience. We just added this just now back there.
we had to figure out which way to do it.
Jack had to teach me that this just looks like 05 to you. And it took me a while, but then I realized it. So not only is Jack the good-looking one, he's also the brainy one. I'm happy being the brawn of the team. So, what we would love from you, dear audience, is a suggestion, a word that is not a food.
Caterpillar.
Master.
I heard master. I heard a lot of words, but I also heard master.
Master.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Where did that came from?
Woo! Master.
Yeah, what's up? What's up, little guy?
Today is a special anniversary.
Yeah, it's the anniversary that you decided to train under me, so it's pretty big.
10-year anniversary, Master.
Yeah, 10 years, 10 whole years of you training underneath me, becoming the best plumber you could possibly be.
Yes, Master.
I'm just still so proud of you that you decided to make the change so late in life to become a plumber.
Well, it was the tree surgeon thing got a little rough. So my scoliosis kicked in.
Yeah, a much better job for you in your health condition.
Yes, I'm down closer to the ground.
Yes, exactly.
My philosophy is always be near your work, as near as possible.
Right, so you used to have those big hedge clippers that, it didn't feel as personal to you. I remember your story when you first came to me.
Tell me again, Master.
You came to me
Yes.
in tears, saying, I don't feel a connection with the trees anymore.
No, closer to the roots I felt.
Yes, exactly. So you wanted a job where you could be up close and personal with what you were working with. And then I said, hey, I'm a plumber.
You're so wise. You know, it's interesting, Master, on this job,
Yeah.
two careers have come close together because this pipe to the septic system is tangled up by tree roots.
It's all come full circle for you.
It's full circle.
I'm so glad that the Nature Society wanted us to work under plumbing.
Yes, so am I.
Oh, I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of you in this moment.
Master, you are a gift.
I know. Okay, so I got hedge clippers.
I have a rubber rooter.
We're gonna do this.
Taking off the valve, Master.
Alright, I'm gonna clip some of these tree branches. That really does work. Thanks for showing me that. It sounds good.
Have you, Master?
No, it sounds good. Okay, it doesn't sound good. Okay, hold on.
I will put it in reverse.
Oh, that's not a good idea.
It moves very fast in reverse.
Okay. All right, so there's a little leak up there. Luckily, we always bring all the tools we need for any crisis.
Master,
Yeah.
this is a mess. This is a mess. It reminds me of the time when we had to fix the toilet system at Larry's bar.
That was so backed up.
Everything was backed up.
It was not so nice.
The only thing that wasn't backed up were the customers who kept peeing while we were working on it.
Yeah, it smelled awful.
Yes, it did.
Okay, well, all right, okay, all right. What's the rule number one about plumbing? You know this about plumbing is to always work
With what you've got.
Yes! Yes! That's exactly it! High five. Let's have to do a Vulcan high five. We have a crisis on our hands. All right. The big magic tool.
I used to pray to the trees, Master. Pray to the trees. I would say, beloved tree, I have to trim you. I am so sorry because I know you have infinite feelings. And the trees would reach down their boughs and touch me lightly on the head. And I could hear them say, just like that. I didn't know what it meant.
I was going to ask you what it meant. But I didn't understand the story at all.
Well, I thought, now, what if I pray to the tree to release the pipe?
So, what you think we've got here is two forces in, not nature. Well, one's nature and the other is man-made.
Yes, the sewer being the man-made, the roots being nature. They are in conflict. We need to bring them, Master, we need to bring them into harmony.
You're right.
I will try.
You're the perfect person. No, today I'm the assistant because I know nothing about nature. I've only plumbed my whole life. High school, I did a technical school where I just plumbed and I never went outside. During recess, I just stayed in and plumbed as much as possible, even when there were no baggage. I would go into the boys' bathroom and I would go into the girls' bathroom. I got in trouble a few times. And stuff like that. But I would go into the boys' bathroom and make sure every single toilet was unclogged, which they were usually.
On the other hand, I, in grammar school, used to stay out in the playground and talk to the trees.
You had a lot of friends that were trees.
Yes, no friends in class, but a lot of friends.
Who needs human friends when you got tools or trees?
Yes. So today, I am the master,
I am the student.
and you are the student. Beloved tree.
Beloved tree.
It's me, baby.
Hi, I'm his friend.
This is my apprentice
I'm his master in plumbing, but I'm the apprentice
in nature.
in nature.
Beloved tree, your roots are entangling this pipe and causing problems for the nice humans who work at the Nature Society and who are your friends.
Me and Max need your help.
Good, good apprentice, you're doing well.
You master.
Could you kindly release your roots from the pipe?
What does it say?
I don't know.
I forgot you didn't know what it meant.
But we must watch the roots to see if they come loose.
Keep a close eye on them. keep pointing to the tree.
Meanwhile, as a backup, I will try the rotor again. Move your face away from the pipe.
That doesn't sound good. I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna find cover. 'Cause I work with poop, but I hate poop.
It will not come back either, Master. Tree, you failed me,
Oh, never mind then.
or I failed you. Who knows? Who knows?
Well, either way, the tree's not our ally.
At best a neutral player.
That's why I went to plumbing anyways.
I would have stayed with you, Trees, but for my scoliosis. You know how it feels when your branches get bent and your balls get bent. The tree sounds pissed off.
I kind of got that. He's whooshing with a certain inflection there.
Yes, a certain intensity I've not encountered.
Is the situation gonna get worse? I have to ask. Because it might just completely break the pipes if it moves its roots. That can't happen.
It can happen.
It can happen.
It probably will happen. Probably will.
Alright, well, I mean, I have an axe in the magical tool bag. Do you think, hey, Max,
Yes.
I know.
Master, we are back in the plumbing realm.
Yes, axe, the number one plumber's tool.
Yes.
Axe, are you ready to kill this tree? Can you do it? Can you muster whatever it is that you need inside your soul to kill which once you prayed to? Max, think long and hard about this question. I'm going to grab the axe.
Tree, today we part ways. Because I will part your roots.
You do the honors, Max. This day's still about you.
Sorry, buddy.